It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hi, thanks for joining us today on It's Vegan. Today we are going to make a cheese sauce, but we are not using any dairy. It's mostly going to be potatoes and carrots. We're going to need 160 grams of peeled potatoes that we are going to cut up to about the size of the pieces our carrots are going to be, because we just want to throw them all in the oven together to bake. Right now we're just going to cut up and weigh this potato. 164. Then we are going to put them in a glass baking dish that has a lid on it. Should speed up the cooking a little bit. Right, there's 120 grams of carrots. We are just going to cover these. We're going to put them in the oven at 350. We're going to let them cook until they are fork soft. It should take about half an hour. If you are in a pinch, you can microwave these, but you will be missing a little bit of depth of flavor here. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. We're going to check our potatoes and carrots. Yeah, I can get my fork in them, but they're not quite soft enough. I'm going to put it back in for another 10 minutes. Alright, we're back. It's been another 10 minutes and we're going to check our potatoes again. Alright, they're nice and soft now. So we are going to then put them in the food processor. So we're going to let them sit here for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes and let them cool down a little bit. Alright, our vegetables have cooled down a little bit. Now we're going to transfer them into the food processor. To this, we are going to add 50 milliliters of vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever kind of oil you got. Then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And 2 tablespoons of some kind of non-dairy milk. I like to add all of the wet ingredients and then turn on my food processor, and I'm going to blend it until it's all a smooth consistency, and then I'm going to come back and add all the dry ingredients. I have blended up my liquid ingredients and my potatoes and my carrots, so I am going to add all of my dry ingredients. So I had a tiny bit of help with this from my nephews, but we still got everything here. It is a pinch of pepper, 4 tablespoons of arrowroot, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. So I'm just going to blend the rest of this up until it's all mixed, and we'll be right back with you. Alright, I blended this all up. I did stop one time to scoop around the edges and then continue blending it. Just put some in a bowl right here. And this will keep in your fridge about a week. I use this on anything I would put cheese on. I put it on potatoes with broccoli. I put it on tacos. I just eat it on nacho chips. So good. It's surprisingly cheesy. I put this on anything that I would put cheese on. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Hit us up next week for another video. Keep watching for my outtakes. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe. Catch us next week for another video. Where would I cut it from though? I just put it in a bowl.
Well, I'm videotaping you now.
Alright. We are going to need a whoa.
Just keep going.
Or not.